Namaskar. On behalf of Bishnupriya Manipuri Sahitya Sabha and also on my personal behalf, I extend a warm welcome to everyone present here today. Bishnupriya Manipuri is a microscopic indigenous ethnic community of Assam. Its language, literature, and culture are presently at the verge of extinction. To revitalize and preserve these vital identity markers and thereby sustain the community, the Vishnupriya Manipuri Sahitya Sabha was established. Since its inception, the Sabha has undertaken several initiatives toward this novel objective. One such significant initiative is the development of a comprehensive digital archive. Digital technology has emerged as a powerful boon for microscopic minority communities across the world. It enables the uniform storage of hypermedia information and integrated form of text, images, audio, and video. This technology provides equal dignity and equitable space to all languages, literatures, and cultures, transcending geographical, political, and economic boundaries. However, the use of digital technology as an archival media is not without limitations. Each component of hypermedia relies on specific formats and encoding schemes that evolve rapidly. Digital objects cannot be accessed or interpreted without appropriate software and devices, and device drivers play a crucial role in rendering such content into human readable form. If a device driver or a content handler becomes obsolete or corrupted, the archived content risks becoming permanently inaccessible. Taking these challenges into careful consideration, Sahitya Sabha has chosen a cloud-based archival platform, archive.org, for long-term preservation. At present, the Bishnupriya Manipuri Digital Archive hosts more than 200 books. We are in the process of archiving all significant magazines published so far, and in due course, important audio and video materials will also be added. We sincerely solicit your kind cooperation, support, and encouragement in this collective effort to preserve and promote our linguistic and cultural heritage. Dhanyavad.